You might ask, why should I choose my Tennessee Home Solution? Here's why. We buy as is. You don't have to fix a thing. We offer cash. It's fast and reliable. We're local and veteran owned. We understand Tennessee homes and homeowners. You pick when you close. No waiting months. No realtor commissions. No hidden fees. We've helped homeowners in every scenario: divorce, relocation, inherited property, tenant issues, repairs too costly. If your house is causing stress, we're the solution. Let's see if we can help you today. Give us a call at 615-637-SOLD and we'll give you a free cash offer. My Tennessee Home Solution, the local choice for a fair, fast home sale.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.